It is Saturday morning and I want to show you what we are doing today and what a lot of our Saturdays look like. We kind of make a mess of the place all week long and we don't pick up after ourselves. I don't think we're as good as we were when we were living at home. Do you, Chad?
Huh?
I think we're kind of pigs.
Well, we do let things tend to get out of order. Have it dusted for quite a while.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So I put Chad to work. He would go forever if I didn't tell him to.
When she said go dust all these old relics, I thought, well, do I need to shower?
So he's doing my dusting. We keep this closed because there's apartments across from us and we don't want to worry about that being opened. But yeah, dusting and vacuuming. Our bathrooms need cleaned in the worst way. It's kind of bad down in there.
Yeah.
This is what we're doing here.
Her guest bedroom doesn't get used a whole lot, so it needs to be
Dusted.
And we don't look at these here at all.
No, never.
These are just shelves.
I have learned one thing by living here, and that is when I get home, I will not replace my carpet with gray carpet. Wasn't planning to anyway, but now there is no way I will put gray carpet in my house, and absolutely no way I would put these dark gray couches in my house. No way. Did you hear me talking in there?
I just heard you talking because I don't know where to put that. I don't know where to put this. Where do you going to want to put this?
I'll find a place.
Because where the first one is, it's not enough room to put both of them.
I know, it's because I have all my junk back there.
So the thing that we're discussing is where do you put the operator's manual and the warranty card for this new kitchen appliance, or anything else that you buy that has these owner's manuals. I know my son-in-law, they just throw them all away because everything's online. Well, but we're in Serbia and I'm old and I keep track of all that stuff because my dad did. So where do you keep it all? With the appliance or in a file?
One of the responsibilities that I have as a senior missionary is every 6 weeks the mission holds a conference, a zone conference. And the zone is the area that I'm in, and a friend of mine who lives in Novi Sad, she and I put together the meal for this zone conference, and we'll have anywhere between 30 and 50 people at this conference. And so every 6 weeks, that's quite a lot of cooking. So we bought an extra crock pot the other day because I cannot keep up with doing it with just one crock pot. And this Sunday is also our branch conference, and we're going to have a little meal after church all together, and so I'm cooking for that as well, and I'm quite excited because a few weeks ago we had a Relief Society activity and they asked me to bring sloppy joes, and I made a lot of sloppy joes, and so I froze some of them, and so I'm going to be able to just thaw these out, put them in my new crock pot, and that is what we're going to have Sunday. And they love my sloppy joes here. They're not my sloppy joes, they're my sister-in-law's sloppy joes, but I just have to tell you that I love a lot of the Serbian food, but they love my sloppy joes. And then Monday is the zone conference, and I'm going to prepare chicken curry for that, and my friend is going to do all the desserts, and she makes the most spectacular desserts, so it's a perfect combination. And I'm going to order flatbread from Walters here in Serbia, and they're going to deliver it, and it is going to be so good. It's only like $1 a piece to get this per person to get this flatbread, and that will go really well with the chicken curry. So I'm really excited about what we're going to be feeding the missionaries this weekend.
Just like home. Sudsy water, food prep, smile on your face.
I have used every inch of real estate that I have. But I've got 2 meals going at the same time, so I hope I don't confuse them.
Well, you never stop, Grandma.
It's been all day.
Well, yeah, you're cutting up, shredding some cabbage now. Is that for the chicken curry?
This is, no, that might be okay in curry, but this is to go on top of the sloppy joes tomorrow. And I'm telling you, since we've been here and been using cabbage, I'll put it in everything. Yeah, it'd probably be good in the chicken curry too.
Well,
you know what I like doing?
well, this chicken curry looks absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to sneak
That's what I couldn't fit in the pot. So
sneak a bowl tonight.
that's your dinner tonight. But what I just love being able to do, and that is do my prep work, do most of the cooking the day ahead of time. That's why I like these kind of menus, because they actually taste better after they've sat in the crock pot or in the soup bowl, whatever.
For a day or two, yep. Well, good. I can't wait to grab a bite tonight and then have seconds tomorrow.
Well, I guess that's it. I guess I'll just say sign off, see you next week.
Thanks for watching.
I'm tired, I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.